In order to make a good profit in memecoin, all you need is to enter at the right time and exit at the right time. But in practical, it is very challenging to identify the right entry and the exit because there are a lot of various factors involved in it to identify the sweet spot signal. And people like us, like having a family and have a 9-to-5 job, we cannot sit all the way in front of the computer waiting for the right dip. And our Telegram bot solves this problem, and I'm going to walk you through all the list of sweet spot signal that has been captured in the last 4 hours as of July 23. All I'm looking for is a 2x and then exit. So this is our MemeCoinNinja VIP channel Telegram bot, and here if you can see it just lists down all the signals, alerts, the sweet spot alerts. So what I'm going to do is I'll be filtering all the sweet spot alerts that has been notified in the last 5 to 6 hours and then compare it against the Dexscreener just to see whether those specific coins has moved up after the spot signal has arrived. So let's just go one by one. So let me search with sweet spot alert. Okay, one is at 12:40 a.m. which is the Noodle. Let me just open that. So this Noodle, so here if you see we got the alert at 12:40 a.m. And then it was dipped to 38,000 market cap. And so let me just open that coin. You open the Dexscreener app. All right, so it looks like it went all the way down till 12k market cap. But still I see people are buying, but again, if you see the trend, it just goes till I don't think so it'll come back again. So this is not a good sign. Let's just move to the next one, which is the litter coin. So this we got the alert at 12:25 a.m. And then it was dipped at 39,000 market cap, and the stability liquidity stable is at 22,605. So let's go ahead and check this one. All right, so this coin litter, from the moment we captured at 12:25 a.m. if you see here, it went all the way up to 143 at the moment. So let me just scroll down. So 12:25 a.m. which is at around 12:25. So at this time it got captured, I suppose, like around the 39. So and then it went all the way up to like around like 200k, which is probably around like 4 to 5x. But all we are looking for is just 2x and then keep moving on. So this is a better one. Let's move on to the next alert, Penniless. So this one we got the alert at 10:38 p.m. So it got dipped to 33,000 market cap, and the liquidity is stable at 21,000, right? So let's click on this. Go to the Dexscreener. All right, so at the moment Penniless is at around like 4.2, but let's see if there is any increase happen after the sweet spot alert. Oh, you can see a good movement here. So the time went at 10:29, which is at around this specific time, like 10:29. So we got the alert at 33 market cap, 10:38 probably, yes, at this time. And then it went all the way up to 200k. And then, so as a lessons learned, so all the meme coins, it'll be eventually, it'll die at some point of time. So if you see here, the maximum the time limit for this specific coin is at around like not more than 1 to 2 hours, right? So it just went to 4.3. So as long as you make your 2x, we just need to keep moving on. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is Larp. Let me just click on that. And so this we got pulled back and it was dipped to 35,000 market cap. And so looks like a good narrative. The bundle analysis here is 2.80, and the X Twitter account is have some pretty good numbers. Let me just check the Dexscreener here. Okay, at the moment the current market cap is 23k. Let's just look on the chart. It's called Larp, right? Yes. So we got around 35k market cap at 8:54 p.m. which is at around 854, so probably at this time. Yeah, at this time, right? And then it got shoot up to 200k, which is probably around like another 4 to 5x. And yeah, it is an easy 2x for us to exit out. Yeah, this is a good one. And let's move on to the Dork. Wow, this is at 18,000 market cap. Let's just check the narrative on and see the X. Okay, it has some 100 followers and it is already verified too. And the bundle analysis is 0.00, pretty good. And the community has been taken over. Let's go to the Dexscreener here. So the coin name is Dork, right? Okay, so at the moment I think it says it's 4.6 market cap. I think it was already down. But let's just see. So when we got the message, the spot alert, it was at 6:32 p.m. It was at around like 18.834. Yeah. So let's just click on the 1 minute chart at 6:32. Yeah, so we got the spot message at this specific time, and then it just went up to probably around 27, which is around like 50 to probably like 75%, or a 2x, but still a better deal. So the lessons learned here is probably if we have the settings which we can have it from 50 to 100%, that is like up to 2x, better deal. So that's it for today. So maybe these are all the last around like 6 to 7 coins, and if you take all the coins, probably around 30 to 40 coins for which we got the sweet spot alert.